Oh baby, look at that. That's a $20 buy on Amazon. 4 volt, 2 amp hours. I have not charged this thing in a good month. I leave it in my little Klein bag, and it comes in handy when you gotta open up stuff like this and got a bunch of screws. It's not too overwhelming. I'm one-handed, so don't mind me. Tightens them down, pulls them out. Everything y'all want out of the screw. Here's one that I haven't opened. Has different settings, but more importantly, it is light. It is light. She fits right in the tool bag, baby. Look at, you don't even see her. She just gets swallowed. Gotta get you one, folks. 20 bucks. You waste more of that on Cheetos and Doritos and drinks at the convenience store. Get it. Get it, baby. Denali 4 volt stick screwdriver.